Hope you guys had a great weekend. In this video, I want to talk about Amazon stock. Such an amazing setup on Amazon right here. We have been absolutely killing it in the Discord. We had a bunch of plays like Google 134%, a video that I made 2 days ago. And Google stock absolutely blew. We had Tesla, we had Apple stock. We talked about Apple. We made a whole video on it right here. Then it also had a massive pop, but that was a very nice 100% gainer. Right here we had a play on Nike, on Coinbase, all of that. But this is our next big play, and in this video I want to go in very deep. I'm making these videos and all of that, but if you guys want the live buy and sell alerts, and where you can also have a nice small community, make sure to join the Discord if you have not already, and make sure to use code 2024 for 50% off lifetime. I just added smart money concepts like golden sweeps, unusual flow, dark pool, which is worth over $150 per month. So you're getting such an incredible deal. But let's get started right here. Okay, let's get started with Amazon. We are looking very good. So a very similar setup to our play on Apple, a previous play on Google, which we played last week. And very simple idea. We have a very simple idea. Taking a look at the market cap, Microsoft, Apple, and Nvidia have been absolutely carrying the market, while stocks like Amazon and Google are lagging behind. So since now we are seeing kind of this pullback on Apple and Nvidia, we are seeing this rise in Amazon as well as Google. So is it now time for Google and Amazon to carry the market? That is a big question. Not only that, taking a look at the market cap, both Google and Amazon are sitting at $2 trillion, while Microsoft, Apple, and Nvidia are sitting at $3 trillion. So we have a $1 trillion difference, okay, which is a massive percentage, okay, $1 trillion difference play on Google and Amazon. So just something to think about, some background, because the main play obviously is based off technical analysis, but stuff like fundamentals is very important to look at in. Now, before I really go into deep about Amazon, my most popular video on Nvidia, it is very similar to a previous setup on Nvidia. So a while ago, we had a very nice setup on Nvidia. I made a whole video on here, but we had this massive ascending triangle, which just absolutely broke out with Nvidia right here. So we're taking a look at here, as well as a ascending triangle right here. So I made a video on here. So the basic idea that I want to go over here with Amazon is that this setup has been forming for a while, since April 2024. So I've been forming this ascending triangle for a couple months. And why this is very important is because our previous setups that we talked about, our previous setups were forming for a couple days or couple weeks. So since we are forming this setup on a bigger time frame and for longer, we could see a very strong rise in trend. We're talking about 20%, 50% on 4 shares, especially if we take a look at the bigger picture for Amazon. It hasn't been all-time high since 2021. So just something to think about. Might be a very nice play for shares also. Okay, so now let's take a look at the closer picture right here for Amazon. Okay, we have this massive ascending triangle. Now, I talked about this on my last video, which was on Google. The main concern is time. Okay, we want Amazon to get tighter and tighter. So I'm taking a look at 1 month out calls for Amazon right here. So we talked about we need time on Amazon. The second thing, $190 is our massive level of resistance. Okay, this is our massive level of resistance, and above $190, it closed above 190 is massive, bullish. Like we had our play on Nike. When we closed above the resistance, we had a massive pop. We were consolidating insanely. We had a very nice option play on Nike. If we take a look at Apple, okay, right when we closed above, we got that massive spike to the upside. So taking a look at Amazon, a close above 190 is bullish. Now this is our massive level of resistance right here. Okay, $190. We have our support at around 184. So the preferable entry would be right at the level of support. If Amazon drops, this would be the perfect entry to enter in right at the level of support, because yes, we can enter in here, but the probability is it's still a little bit more risky. The perfect entry would be right at the level of support. Now if you are deciding to enter in right here, just grab a lot more time, okay? But a close above 190 is bullish. So especially tomorrow right at market open, what happens at market open is very important, because we closed right at resistance, and right at market open we get that massive volume. So I want to buy calls, okay? I want to buy calls right at market open. So if you have not already, make sure to join the Discord, link in the description. I'll be talking about it with you guys, but most likely I am buying Amazon calls right at market open. Now let's talk about our price target. Now if we're grabbing weekly calls, this week calls, which I will most likely do right around market open, this is going to be our first price target, $191. Very conservative price target right here for weeklies. So like a 1% move, which we can for sure hit on Monday. If we take a look at a bigger picture, our main price target, is really right over here. Like this is a massive breakout. This is where when we enter in at all-time highs, we're pretty much just going to go to all-time highs. So this is what I am taking a look at for Amazon. Now, I'm taking a look at options right here. So I want to do a weekly call option. So let's take a look at 28th. So let's just take a look at 187.5. So obviously my price target is going to be 191. This is our very conservative price target. Okay, very conservative, 191.54. So that is going to be around, around a 24% gain at least. A 42% gain, but I would probably go with 190. So if I go with 190, that would be a solid, 50%, 68%. I really want to go for that 100% gainer for Amazon. So probably have the price target around 194, 195. But at open, if it starts to break out, it starts to run, this is going to be such an amazing play. Okay, this is our next play. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe with notifications on if you have not already, and see you guys in the Discord. Take care. Bye.